Happy Monday! Today, registration opens for one of our most sought after events, Dinner on Blanc. Because of this event's popularity, this season we are changing the registration process. So today, the event opens and remains open for 72 hours. So everyone that registered is immediately on a wait list, so no one is quite confirmed yet for the event. After the 72 hours, we'll close the registration. At that point, we will review and we will give priority to any members that haven't attended a Dinner on Blanc in its 5-year history here at Toscana, giving everyone a chance. We will then take the additional names and put it into a randomized lottery app and add them to the event. Once we've filled all 64 seats, all the remaining names will stay on the wait list. So in case we have a cancellation, there's still an opportunity to get into the event. The event is on March 18th at 6 p.m. in a secret location. It's a beautiful evening under the stars. We all wear white. Chef creates a gorgeous menu. There's beautiful wines paired, and it's just a fun, wonderful evening. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or the Club Concierge. Thanks for sharing a minute.